do it again. Let's go again. Let's see what we end up with. Oh, that was 16.5 miles in an hour and a half. Just short. So an hour and a half is going to be 11:30 to get back. $11:30 to get back. That's going to be the goal. This time we're not going to stop for all the pictures and the turns and all that stuff to get lost. So we know where we're going. Let's do it. According to the monitor, we've lost half of our battery. We're going to go all the way again to the end of this, all the way to that road and back. That should give us at least 32 miles. I feel good body-wise. I'm comfortable. My butt's starting to hurt. That was an hour and a half without really getting off the bike. I'd like to make 30 miles with the battery. Right there, the battery's doing all the work. All right, 18 miles. I took off my hat. It was getting a little hot and sweaty with the hat and the helmet. I am wearing a helmet. I don't usually wear helmets as I should, but I'm trying to get used to it. I figured it would be a good safety factor on a long run by yourself. So I do have my helmet on today. One thing I do need to say about the battery and the depletion of the battery as I hit the 19-mile part. I do have a lot of weight on here. I'm 220 pounds on the bike. I probably have another 50 pounds of gear and stuff and water. So, you know, it is a little more than probably the bike should be pulling around, but it's doing well. All right, 20 miles. 20 miles. Let's go here and take a quick break. Get some water. We went this way last time anyway, so let's go here, drink some water, little snack, and onward we go. Nothing rubbing. Nothing rubbing. Nothing touching. Alright, let's keep going. Alright. Take a quick little parking spot. Yeah, little break. Right off the trail. Sit here real quick. Take off all this backpacking stuff. Not very pretty with the dirty water. Got a turtle right here. But it's a nice quiet spot. We've been 23.8 miles and half a battery, which actually is less than that, but it's still showing half a battery left. So we've been almost 2 hours now. So about 10 miles an hour, I would say, to be on the safe side. Yeah, it'd be 12 hours to go from Atlanta to Alabama and back. I've got an idea about these. I need 3 things: fix this, protection, and a bell. That's what I got so far. So let's take a break and we'll be back in a second.